In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. Checklists are a fantastic way to organize tasks within your Slack workspace, whether you're working on a team project, managing personal goals, or just keeping track of your to-do list. They help ensure nothing falls through the cracks and keep everyone on the same page. So let's get started. The first step is to open your canvas. This is where you'll create your checklist. Navigate to the specific channel, direct message, or personal note where your project lives. Once you're in the right spot, click on the Canvas panel and place your mouse cursor exactly where you want your checklist to start. Once you've got your cursor ready, it's time to use a special shortcut command. To do this, type a / followed by the word checklist, like this. /checklist. Make sure there are no spaces when you type it out. After you've entered that, hit enter. What happens next is pretty cool. Slack will instantly create your very first interactive checkbox. If you're following along, you should see that little checkbox pop up for you. Now that your first checkbox is created, it's time to build out your list. Go ahead and type your first item, whatever task you want to get done. Once you've entered that, simply press enter on your keyboard. What's great about Slack is that it will automatically generate a fresh checkbox on the next line down. Super easy, right? You can repeat this process for each of the tasks you need to include in your checklist. Just keep typing your items and hitting enter after each one, and before you know it, you'll have a complete list of tasks right there in Slack. Whether you're managing a project or just keeping tabs on personal goals, this method will help you stay organized. And there you have it. It's a straightforward way to keep your tasks visible and manageable. If you're collaborating with colleagues, this can also help ensure everyone is aligned and can even tick off tasks as they complete them, which feels pretty good. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, I really encourage you to consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a thumbs up. It helps me continue to create content that you find valuable. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with your new checklist in Slack. Now go ahead and try this out in your own workspace and see how it can help streamline your projects. If you have any questions, or if there's something specific you'd like to learn next, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to help you with more tips and